Hey, what's going on guys? This is MyCpuTech. Hope you all doing well and have an amazing time. And guys, today I'm going to unbox this Armaggeddon MKA-2C keyboard and do a quick review. And if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notifications. With that said guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, first we see what they have mentioned on the box. Actually they have mentioned that this keyboard is using a blow switch, and this is a TKL keyboard guys. Actually with this image we can say that there's no any numpad, so this is a TKL keyboard, and this keyboard has multicolor backlit option. Okay, and other side of the box they have mentioned how to remove keycaps and thus replace switches if we need it. And they have mentioned about the actuation force, traveling distance and key registration distance. Yeah, they have mentioned it very clearly, so it's very helpful. And okay, now let's get into the box and see what box contain. Okay guys, now let's open the box. Okay, okay, here we are getting a user manual. Yeah, we are getting a user manual. Yeah, in this user manual they have mentioned what are the LED effects and how to control brightness, those stuff. It's really important, so I'm going to keep it aside. Okay, second, they have given us a tool, so let me open it. Okay guys, here we are getting some tools. This one to remove your keycaps and this one to remove your switch. Okay, I'll keep them aside. And guys, actually if one of our switch failed in our keyboard, so we can replace that switch with this switch. So we have two switches, so it's really nice. Okay, I will keep them aside. Okay, now guys, let's take our keyboard out of the packing and see. Let me keep the box aside. Okay, okay guys, here's our keyboard, and first impression, it's look very well built, it's very strong. And here guys, you can see there's a nice texture on the top, and you are getting that clicky sound because of blue switches. Let's just see. Yeah, each and every key use blue switches guys. In the back side of the keyboard you are getting a nice fit. You can adjust the height, and you are getting a rubber pad, so you can keep the keyboard in place. It won't go here and there. Okay guys, now let me quickly plug this into my PC and let's see the backlit effects of this keyboard. Okay guys, now I just plugged the keyboard to my PC and dim the background light, so you can see how LED backlit effects are working very clearly. So this keyboard have 12 preset LED effects. To change them guys, there's a dedicated LED key you can see here. So this is the first effect, so let me go to the second effect. Okay, it's a wave, it's very nice, you can see guys. Okay, now let's go to the next effect. Okay, it's going like that. So this is also cool, check this out guys. And let's go to the next effect. It's something like a wave. Okay, let's go to the next effect. I think this effect is working like this, guys. If you press a key, that key will be backlit like this. Okay, let's go to the next effect. Again, it's something like scanning effect is going on. Okay, next effect. Oh, it's dimming. Okay, let's go to the next effect. Oh, it's do the scanning when you click a key. Okay, okay, yeah, these are the effects, guys, that you are getting with this keyboard. Very nice, actually very nice effects. And let's talk about the switches and the features that this keyboard use. So guys, for features, this blue switches have, guys, total 4 mm of travel distance. And guys, to actuation force, this switch need 60 gram of actuation force, and to register as a keystroke, it need to travel 2 mm, guys. So these are the main key features that I want to point out about these switches. Okay guys, now let's see how it feel like when it comes to gaming and when it's come to typing. So let's find that out. Okay guys, now let's see how it sounds when it comes to typing. So here I'm going to type, guys. So guys, this is how it feels when it comes to typing, guys. Okay guys, to check how it feel when it comes to gaming, I just opened the Asphalt 9. So let's check how it feel when it comes to gaming. So guys, here. Oh, so guys, this is how it sounds like when it comes to gaming. So yeah, it's pretty nice experience, guys. So yeah, this is how it feel when it comes to gaming, guys. Hey guys, and this is my unboxing and review of the Armaggeddon MKA-2C keyboard. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, guys, whether the video is helpful to you guys or do you like the video. And if you like the video, guys, please leave a like and please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. And until next time, guys, peace.